living my best life, hey, yeah, just cruising around in my dives, letting the wind throw to my hair, listening to the... What is up, Patrice gang? What is up, y'all? What is up? What is happening, man? So, today, I'll be reacting to Ace and Chloe acting Ratchet prank on boyfriend. So, this video is 40 minutes long. I'm just gonna tell y'all this right now. I probably will not be talking at all. Okay, it's 40 minutes long, and I feel like the more I talk, the longer the video will be, and the more editing I have to do. So, if you requested this video, please watch it. I know it's gonna be long. This is probably the only video that I'll ever just be mute on. If I had to say something, I'll put my 2 cents in here and there. So hit that like button. Hit that bell so you can be notified every time I do post and upload lit bangers for you all. Tell a friend and tell a friend about me, about both of my channels, and let's get it.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Chloe. Actually, my name is Corshonda. So, Corshonda is the name that I was supposed to be named. My grandma was like, heck no, don't name her that. So, it's Corshonda in this thing. You already know. So, I'm finna go pick up my little dude, my little boo, or whatever. I'm finna go pick him up or whatever and ride around. I don't really know, but how y'all think I look cute? I just got my earrings.
She look cute. She look ratchet.
Cause I gotta pop my shit. But yo, like, so hey you guys, Chloe real quick. I'm finna train my boyfriend, whatever. And I'm finna do this gutter girl prank. I'm finna do my thing. Y'all like my braids? Got my little pink little outfit on. Let me take my pants off. Girl, I'm a hoochie mama, hood rat, hoochie mama. She ain't nothing but a hoochie mama, hood rat, hoochie mama. Yo, so I wear pink over my little bodysuit because
Them curls is popping.
It's like a jump, whatever, romper. This is a romper, but I wear shorts up over it because I just feel like, you know, having these cheeks hanging out, you know, girl is thick, so your girl is thick, so you know, it's a lot of stuff, and I ain't have my man with me, so I ain't, you know, it's certain stuff you can't wear when your man ain't around, because just in case somebody try to holler. I ain't gonna holler back, but I have my cute sweatpants on. It's cute, my purple lipstick. I'm putting it back on later. But, girl, yes! Look good. I'm fine. Make him give me brain, make him give me Einstein. Fuck with me. I'm gonna stop at the gas station. I'm gonna say I'm gonna go get me a 4 Loko. I'm like, go get me a 4 Loko. Period. But I'm really waiting for him to come outside. My assistant just pulled up down my seat because mine go. My assistant's so late. Like, I asked for food at 12. And he's bringing it at 3:08. Your best was up? 3:08. Yeah. He just pulled up though. They couldn't give me a break. But yeah. Cause I'm a very I'm be playing. Oh, basically I didn't tell you what I was gonna be doing. So I'm gonna be real ghetto. I'm gonna be playing Trina. I'm gonna be playing City Girls. I'm gonna be playing Mulatto. I'm gonna be playing all the good stuff, all the bumping stuff, whatever's bumping right now. And I'm gonna turn up. I really don't feel like he gonna care. He probably just gonna be laughing at me the whole time.
Right.
But, I got all my mask on out, girl. But, hold up. What's up, y'all? So I just got my little look good. Sorry.
What that what, Megan?
No, that's Ruby. What?
What he's munching on?
You ain't gonna say thank you?
Thank you. Shorty.
You eating good and shit.
Not for me. A little for you.
I don't want to eat after you. I want my own stuff.
Drink it.
Want pops and what did you like?
So he chilling.
I need some blow pops anyway. So.
I like it.
Thank you.
With the little bow rats. You like you 12 again.
Don't fucking play with me. What?
Not 12.
Eyelashes cute as hell. Yup, killing these hoes. You see the outfit, bitch. Oh. You gotta see it. Got your Sprite.
Earrings.
Ow. Ow. Can you give me some blow pops? For the stuff? Stop fucking playing. Give me some fucking blow pops. Don't play with me. Cause it ain't not today. You gonna give me my blow pops. Hold on, I got some money. What you think? How much you think they cost?
Let me see it.
Don't fucking touch my shit. Don't fuck.
She got racks on racks on racks.
Huh?
All that.
It's only like $3.
No, $300.
$3
You
not
got it.
behind.
Blue pop cost $3.
You could give me the pack or just give me one.
I'm putting on that way. You get it later. You can put the rest of the money. It's like $300. It's 2020. This ain't 2019.
All I know. Oh, I thought he was gonna truck. Go get my shit. And I need a Four Loko too.
No.
Why? Go give me a Four Loko.
No, I ain't getting no phone.
Why?
Blue pop.
Alright, go give me a Blue Pop.
Blue pop.
No, the fuck you did. Don't be throwing shit at me. Fuck wrong with you.
Blue pop.
The fuck? Throwing shit at me. Oh, that shit right the fuck there. Give me my shit. Fuck. Stop fucking pulling my fucking hair. Fuck. Zombie. You threw it at me first.
Woo, 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 woo. The bang.
The bang.
Fuck no.
Not the bang. The bang.
Not the bang.
Not the bang.
The bang. Whoa. Oh, he made that Sprite look good. And I don't even drink Sprite for real.
You already know what time it is. Cause what am I? I'm gonna say.
Yes, 321.
Not the bang.
Cause what am I?
The bang.
Huh?
Studio tonight.
This my shit.
You're going the wrong side of it.
Don't take my shit. This ain't your car. In your car, I touch your radio?
Yes.
No, don't take my shit.
See, girl.
When you ask me to. When you say I could touch it.
Friends who going after the vitamin. The G-string make it holiday. Slow head by the night stand. Like lightning.
What? You want this up now? On the city girls? Tell me time.
And he just
Here
chilling.
we go.
I'm tired.
He like, fuck what you doing.
Thank you, boo. Stop playing. You don't shoot that. You don't shoot no dice on the block. I be shooting dice on the block with my homegirl. Okay. Me.
What you gonna roll?
Them dice. Hey, why you in my business? You always in my business worried about what I'm rolling. Rolling that lousy lousy. Come on, come on. Open it. Make yourself useful.
Make myself what?
Make yourself the fuck useful.
Alright, get your ass beat.
Yup. Oh! Stop playing.
Excuse me, y'all. I do not have a Rona, so don't say that.
No. I want strawberry. I want strawberry. Bruh. Stop talking to me like I'm your fucking homeboy. I don't like that. Open it. I'm driving. I'm driving. Don't let me.
Take it.
I don't want that shit. Why would you give it to me like that? The fuck?
I was doing that.
Oh, yeah. Let me put my ticket on. It been beeping this whole time. Let's get on.
She said that's ghetto.
Bend it over, touch it. Okay. Cheers. Cheers.
Damn, fool.
You barely ate anything.
See, you out eating in the house. I'm sleepy. I ain't put my seatbelt on. You fart?
No. You farted?
Smell it, you devil tick.
You gonna pick up the kids from daycare?
What kid?
I'm a fucking churn. What the fuck you mean?
I ain't got no churn.
Yes, we do got churn. Is you gonna get them?
That damn be that baby daddy you got.
No, you a daddy as baby daddy. You my
expect
fucking
me-
baby daddy.
you
You
expect
my
me-
baby daddy. You my baby daddy.
Nope. Nope.
You baby daddy number 3. Stop
Ooh.
playing.
Number 3.
I'm baby daddy number 0.
3.
You wish I was baby daddy.
No, you need to. And you need to pick up your fucking churn.
You little badass little kid, little
No, and you need-
rascal.
and you need-
bad-
and
let me
you-
talk. You little
And you
badass
need to
little
pick up your
rascal.
churn.
You
And you need to pick up your churn. You always on that deadbeat shit. You need to go pick up your churn. And that's on game.
You and the motherfucker.
Period.
You and the motherfucker little rascal, you little bad, little snotty nosed bastard. They get the fuck out my house.
Ooh.
I got 2 more days.
Uh-oh.
48 hours.
You out your rabbit
You
ass
better go back. You
fine.
better go back with them piss ass deadbeat ass daddy.
No, you is my baby daddy.
Your baby daddy wish they was me. Your ex niggas wish they was me. They can't be me. So, with that being said,
You're my baby daddy. Number 3. We got 2 kids. Stop playing.
who got 2 years?
Please.
Child. Child.
I honestly can't wait until they do have a bundle of joy, man. I know that their baby is gonna be so cute.
Boo. The child had a boo.
Stop fucking playing because
The boo had a child.
you know what the fuck going on.
No. You know what the fuck going on.
You my fucking baby
Baby,
daddy.
that's them 2
Alright.
snotty ass little boys, little rascal bastards out my kitchen in my room, and a little pissed ass little girl out my motherfucking guest room.
Y'all so mad daddy shit and I want to take your ass to court.
Uh-uh.
I'm gonna win. We're gonna go to court for you wasting my motherfucking time. How about that? That part.
No. You know what the fuck. You watch me push them fucking shirt out.
Yeah. I was the friend. I was there for my homeboy.
What type of bitch you say me for? Hell no.
What type of bitch you wanna be? I'm on the road. I'm killing it. You green light out. Hey, good look up. Get look up. Yeah, 2 days, 40 hours. Get your shit in, go. Get your shit in, go.
You motherfucking baby daddy. Stop playing with me. You motherfucking baby daddy. You know that, like.
Sorry, shorty. Go.
If you stop drinking that fucking lean,
Drink what?
stop drinking that lean and popping them pills every day, then you will know. You always forget about your fucking children. And that's fucked up. That's real messed up of you because you keep forgetting about my children. Those my kids and your children.
You're right. Your kid.
You lighting that bed with me too.
No, not 2. After.
Oh my God! Wow!
That's just my baby daddy.
What the fuck going on?
Oh, you dedicated to all your baby daddy.
No, you my
That's that
baby
booty
daddy,
popping
but
music.
I need to get y'all ass on.
You my baby daddy, but you
Cause
gonna.
girlfriend ain't having that shit. Girlfriend ain't having that deadbeat baby
That's
daddy
just my
shit.
baby
Get them
daddy.
niggas go get their shit
You
together.
got a girlfriend? Don't let me stop shit at you. When the fuck you want to go get a fucking girlfriend? So if you got a girlfriend, why you in my car?
Oh, this your shit? Oh, you run your gas up and take your money. City boy shit. You know they got city.
Ooh. Boy.
If you don't get girl. City boy shit. We bought girls think they finessing us. Child boo. Finessing your ass. And we don't want the snaky boo boo.
I'm gonna knock you the fuck your ass the fuck out. Stop playing with me. I'm your fucking girlfriend. Soon to be wife. Baby mama, all day. I'm your everything.
Now while them young kids, you might throw that out the door. Just temporary. See, girl, you need a real good nigga like me. You thought you had.
Don't fucking
Thought
touch
you
me.
had-
Don't fucking touch me with your ugly ass. Stop fucking touching me.
I'm like, I ain't got mom in your car.
You just ugly as fuck. I'm using you.
Okay,
But,
They making them lollipops look good.
what you use?
yep. Child support. I want all your money.
Child support.
Nigga, you my baby daddy.
Child support.
I want all your money.
They might well take me to jail.
Child support.
Government, lock me up, throw away the key. Cause I ain't paying no child support bill.
You is. If you be laying up, and guess what? And I'm pregnant right now. Look at my stomach. Look at my stomach.
Who the baby daddy?
Yo!
Who the baby daddy?
Every night, you wanna put that little thing up in me. Every night. And look at my stomach.
I'm burning.
Look at my stomach.
Oh, you think that be me putting in? Oh, I might lay in bed, then somebody might. It's funny how a nigga contact me every night, tell me go on the couch, not go on the couch. I wonder what that's what he been doing. So that's what you pretty much a fat man.
No, it be you.
478 pounds,
It be you. I can see you clear as day because the TV be
2
on.
foot 6 inches. Height.
It be you. I know that thing from anywhere.
It's not.
Well, I be seeing you. We got videos and everything. Stop playing.
I'm scared of him. I'm shocked. Look like.
I'm freaking pregnant. We gotta go to my doctor's appointment tomorrow. Whoa. Yup.
You like you 6 months, so you 6 months. I only been on you for 2 months, so I know. You don't do it. Woo!
Boy, you was my baby daddy.
Say it by the bell.
You my baby daddy. I want all your money. I want child support.
I'm free. I'm childless free. No girl, get the shit. I don't know your mama.
Boy, you been cheersing with me.
Huh?
You know my mouth is. I know your mouth is though.
Ooh.
Yeah. That part.
You wish your mouth could touch me, girl. I was big, girl.
No, I'm saying your mouth.
Sweetie.
Don't be touching me. Don't be touching me because I will beat your ass. Fuck.
You touching me.
Huh? Don't be touching me.
find something to do.
You my baby daddy. That's it. You know you be my baby daddy from the jump.
You my baby daddy.
I fuck with you.
I
fuck
want all
with
your
you.
money. I want child support.
It's all kind of strapping nigga.
Huh? We supposed to be getting married.
Who?
Us. You said you was gonna marry me.
That was a get in your draw.
I thought we didn't ever do that. Why was you biting the blow pop?
What you do? Why you didn't go on the ring light?
I'm going. I just don't want my. You need to shut up. You really don't. I swear, you better not call in my bed tonight. I know that much.
You ain't got no bed.
What I got?
The float.
Mattress? Oh, so you think I'm a broke bitch? Stop playing with me.
Probably ain't broke. You got air mattress.
I don't want no air mattress. You come sleep with me every night. Like, stop playing. You is my fucking baby dad. I don't know if you got amnesia. I'm not gonna argue with you because it's nothing like.
You her baby daddy. She want all your money. She want child support.
I'm tired.
You need to go sleep it on or something because it's beef, baby.
Dang, he demolished that blow pop.
Oh, I thought that nigga would still be.
All cars beep when you don't got the fucking thing on. And if it don't, then your shit home. The fuck?
You got that in the Toyota.
Ain't no fucking nigga. I don't got no Toyota. This is a Benz. Stop playing with me.
What is that?
This is my. Stop playing with me.
Oh, that's what you do. You Honda, you got Honda, Benz, and Toyota.
See, you're trying me. Trying me. Bitch.
That's not what
I like that thing. Oh shit, 12. You turn. You turn on the air.
Oh, shit, what?
12.
Cops.
My license suspended. This ain't even my car. My homegirl let me borrow her car. Huh? I thought a bro bitch said something.
You said something?
Stop fucking playing with me. The fuck? Bitch ain't never been broke. Damn.
What 50 and Twitter?
You know them hoes run away.
Little roaches in that mouse and shit. Roaches in my eyes. Then you brought this to my eyes, so I gotta do call exterminator to get the job.
You so fucked up. You was so fucked up. Cause fine, I just can't with you.
I've been.
You so fucked up. Tell me my bro roaches to your house. These motherfucking roaches to your ass.
What's the motherfucker right?
You like my nails?
Yes. Gorgeous.
You got my nails? You gonna pay for my nails, sir?
Her nails and her hair are always on point, man. I don't know who does her nails, but shoot, I would probably wear long nails for the one time, just for the one time. I'm not into all that, but I would give myself a crazy makeover from this to something like that.
I need nail appointment and I need my feet done.
I ain't paying to get none of that shit done. That ain't my road. I put a side nigga road. Side nigga gonna do that type of shit.
You was my main nigga. You already know that, daddy. You my main nigga. You already know
You
that.
ain't selling no brick for me.
I ain't selling no brick for you.
What you said? I said a brick for you.
No. I hold a brick for you,
Oh, yeah,
daddy.
I
I hold it. I'll put it in my purse.
Yeah.
I ain't selling that shit though.
He don't know brick.
Brick for you, daddy. Smash on a bitch for you, daddy. I'll be the bitch up, yup, for you.
Beat that whole ass right now. That's your gangster, you ain't that gangster.
Bitch, you ain't no bitch right though.
Well, ran ass over the car.
Nah, I'm be the bitch up, yup. Be the bitch up, like whole eye, yup. Whatever it means. Damn, it's hot as fuck out this hole. Shit. Don't be leaning my shit back. My nigga gonna get in the car and be mad as fuck.
Uh-oh.
You gotta put my shit lean back like that. Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Fuck you looking back there for? Shit. Oh hell no! Put the Lulu in the back. Put the Lulu in the back. Put the Lulu. Get the fuck out of my shit.
What is a Lulu?
Oh, you po as fuck cause you still the ones on my purse.
What is a Lulu? Explain, please.
Send the titties all the time. Stop playing with me. Oh, you ain't never broke that boy shit.
What whole can't even afford it?
Huh? I can't do what?
Well, let me talk y'all work so I can go get your car.
See,
Oh, the Lulu must be the purse. It gotta be. Gotta be the Lulu. That's what the Lulu is. The purse.
I gotta stop fucking with these broken ass niggas. I got to. That shit. Yeah, though. You talking hold my fucking time. Where your other bitch? Didn't you say you got a girlfriend? Go hold her shit. What wrong with you? You touching my head. What you feeling me right now, son? What you trying to stop someone to do
I
something?
see who laid this bitch from?
It's my real house.
Yeah, right.
You know what? Stop playing with me.
So all we want is lace front. They got his lace front here for big red house.
I will park this fucking car to whip your ass.
What's the right? Stop sign. What's right?
I'm finna.
What's the right? Stop sign.
That's a
Bam.
cute house.
Ain't no fucking cute house.
You remind me of that?
Fuck no.
I need a fucking house for my kids.
There's no relative around this bitch. What's the right?
I want you to buy me a house.
Where are they going? They've been driving for the longest.
No more.
They just driving, y'all.
Come pull up to the house and I'll put it on you.
Ooh.
Put it on you. On you. I put it on. I'll put this shit on you. I'm gonna stop.
Say you a fist committed. Gonorrhea.
Oh, wait, you must got it too. But you was.
Where you going?
You fine.
Huh?
What? You looking good right now. What? To the left.
No. I'm a virgin. Child molestation.
That's how this baby. Yeah.
No.
Kiss my titty. Oh, yeah, grab that ass.
Yeah, she is wilding right now.
Twerk. 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 Twerk.
No.
Bounce that ass, girl. Let me see what you got. A strong girl. You got a strong grip on me.
Police.
Girl, stop that.
Lord, they done parked somewhere to do the nasty.
Alright, you right.
They done parked somewhere to do the nasty, y'all.
You trying to do something? Try back in baby daddy. You are baby daddy. You have number 3. What? Keep your thing in your pants. You nasty. You want something high?
Ooh, he ready.
Oh, it's hard. Hey, car. I'm at the stop sign. Let me go pull up in the quarter seat. What? Stop there. I thought, what you said? You said comedian, right? Huh? Let me see. You was nasty, boy. Oh, it's a cop behind me. Hold my purse. Hold my purse. Everybody want to swing my block when I stop. It's a lot of houses for sale. Why everybody moving? What you getting my hood for? You always on that hood rat shit. You still be breaking this ass? Yeah. I can't even fuck with you no more.
What's that?
Back at me.
You got it right away.
So
No, you ain't.
but I heard you be rapping and shit. You know who you like? You look like Young and Ace.
Oh, no, hell, everybody always say that.
Yeah, sure, you look just like Young and Ace.
Everybody always say that.
You listen to him? You listen to him? I heard the same song. Yeah.
No.
It's just one song he got. It's a at the club. This is what they bop to. So hot. Look. You know who Young Ace is? Though? You know him? You do it just like him. Y'all gotta be related or something. He's so fucking fine.
Watch him.
Some things I do to him, I bust a wide open, bust a wide air. I don't know.
I'm gonna go box me.
You need to low out find this bitch up. You need to go get my black man too.
Well, you know.
Oh, that's some pop shit. I gotta stop someone's like, get out and twerk. Oh, shit. Stop playing with me! I'm ready yet! I need to stop the court stand so I can twerk. I can twerk. That was the court stand right there. I know I'm mad, but I need to stop someone to twerk. This court stand. Got me a bad bitch. I'm a bad bitch, you know that? Stop playing with me. He was talking about me. Had to be. Had to be. He had to be talking about a bitch like me. Got him a bad bitch. If I see him, it's over. You could, that's why I really mess with you, because you look like him. You make me feel like I fuck with you. And that's my little crush. You look just like him. Ace, I heard they be on that shit.
What shit?
Shit, I can't talk, I gotta speak about it, but I heard they some real talk about steppers over there. But you said believe. You look just like him. I'm gonna stop right here and say this out.
I catch that.
I hope you don't.
Dirty.
I hope you don't do that to him. Cause I still need you. You might blow your head out.
Twerk.
Got me a bad bitch.
He looking like, girl.
Super nasty, nasty bitch.
It's my shit. I'm fucking it up in the club. I be popping that shit. I be popping that shit with this song. I will get out. Let's go outside. Turn up. I'll show out, you know.
Show up and show out.
See, I got some. Got me a bad bitch. That bitch, love it, what she throw the room.
He, at this point, Ace don't know what to do, man. He just chilling. He vibing. At this point, he's enjoying everything that Chloe is doing. We not really getting no reaction out of him. He just chilling, man.
But Young Ace is so fun.
Girl, keep that up. I don't know why I'm so
Go back to window.
Going to jail.
Fuck, everything serious with you for real. Don't play with no shorty. It's like you been spending the night every night. And, you know, my
I'm
kids
so
like
weak.
you. Your children like you. We got 2. Maybe 3 in my stomach. And I
3 in your stomach.
Cause just cause somehow fuck with you don't mean like.
I just feel like because I feel like we should be together because like
Talk about a little badass nigga Jermaine and motherfucking football. Don't mean I'm gonna be out there playing catch with that.
you do.
I mean, let me talk about a
I feel like you really step up as a father.
little pissy ass hoe.
As a father.
A little pissy ass hoe.
You really
That little daughter, a little pussy little hoe. This how I got her little bobber down. And look.
no, you really did your shit like you
A little comb and a little grease some scalp ass scalp.
like you really be doing for my children and I really fuck with it.
That's what that's going on.
Yeah, you be really doing for them. You pay my bills.
I don't pay no bills. I pay my bills. You living in my shit, but you gotta go 40 hours.
You pay my bills in my house.
My new bitch coming.
I'll knock you the fuck out. Stop fucking playing with me.
I'm gonna knock you on that side. I'll put your ass.
Stop fucking playing with me. Shit. Don't grab my fucking hand.
Ooh. Ooh.
Let go, okay, let go of my shit, man. Shit. Got my fucking ponytail outside. You aggravating this shit. I'm gonna take your ass home. Drop your ass off. Go see my other nigga. I tried to go to the fishing with you. Don't come in the room tonight trying to get some of this good.
It's about time for you to get for your headache. 40 hours.
You gonna try to come in the room tonight and get you some of this wah, and you not getting it.
I want you to park that Big Mac truck right in his little garage.
Stop fucking playing with me. Stop fucking playing with me. Stop putting my hair. Stop putting my hair. I don't even let a bitch in the street put my hair. I'm not that hoe. I quit.
Uh-oh.
Feel free.
I don't even let a hoe in the street put my hair.
Nigga or bitch.
I don't even let a bitch in the street put my shit and knock a bitch out. First, and if bitch put my hair, bitch, all her hair coming out. Bitch, I don't pull hair, but bitch, if you put my hair, make me mad, bitch, I'm just gonna yank all that shit. Dog walk this house. That's what I be doing. Stop fucking playing with me.
You want to ask her?
What?
Come. Go ahead.
At what?
Go ahead.
What?
Go ahead, shorty.
What?
Go to the trap. Let's go on the block.
Give me a fucking kiss.
Nah, shorty.
You always drinking that fucking lean. That's what she had to smile.
I gotta go to the block. Bus right.
I'm finna drop your ass off.
I gotta catch you, baby. Bus right. Right, get police over here.
What's up? I'ma swing back later. Okay. Tell your mama to give me 100 triplets. Okay. And a pickled egg.
A pickled egg. A pickled egg or a huh? Ew.
My homegirl, her mama the candy lady. You want 100? Pig feet? Some candy? She got sauce. And boy pea names. And she got boy pea names. You don't want name? Okay, just making sure. Because you know I'm making sure you're good. You and this bitch lean and shit. Drop your ass
I
off.
think it's shit. I don't want to sit my shit. I think my shit to the egg.
Alright. Alright, y'all finna end this video. He play along with everything I do. Like, he didn't even get really at shit. He just started playing along with it.
Facts.
We really act. It's crazy because we really act like this in real life. Like, in real life, whatever I like, act like he gonna go along with me because I saw you my dog. He's
That's
really,
my dog. That's my dog. That's my dog. Beat it up. 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 Titty bound. Titty bound. Titty bound. Beat it bound. 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 Hey. Work.
yeah, okay. So don't forget to like.
Give me a twerk for the bed.
You want me to twerk?
No, go ahead. Yeah.
You know how bless it.
Best I twerking at your mama for. Hey, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn post notifications on. Y'all know we're gonna be back with more videos. You know how we coming with the
Biggity bangers.
Bangers.
Bah,
Bow, bow.
bah, bah.
Bow, bow, bow.
Brrr.
Boy, they came in here trying to get got shit in. Bah, bah. Pick that guy on the ground, pick it up. Bah, bah, bah. You know what I'm saying? No, rock, man. You know what it is, man. Got more videos.
Brrr.
Jump.
You already know what it is.
Hey,
Mine is a good life.
follow me on Instagram, man.
Oh, it's a good life.
Yeah,
Pillow baby. Pause. I should just stop. Wait, let me just. Yeah, I'm just do this. I look ghetto now.
Turn from notifications on. Bye bye. We be out.
What? Oh, follow me on Instagram at Chloe Glass with 3 S's. If y'all want more videos, you know, I'm trying to get to 500K for my birthday on my Instagram page. So y'all follow me. Yeah.
Oh, all right.
Can you see? I'm trying to get to 500K for my birthday. It's in a month. So y'all be here. Y'all.
Today, mama, but
I know.
let's get it.
Alright, y'all. That was the end of that video. The end of my reaction. I told you I wasn't really going to... Well, I did talk. But I don't know if I talked a lot. I didn't feel like I did. But anyway, I enjoyed this. This was a chill video, you know. He wasn't too crazy. Like she said, anything that she does, he kind of goes along with it. That's her dog. That my dog. That my dog. That my dog. Okay? Anyway, y'all, leave your thoughts down below on what you thought. Hit that like button. Hit that bell so you can be notified every time I do post and upload lit bangers for you all. Tell a friend about me, about both of my channels. It honestly doesn't even feel like I've been sitting here for 40 minutes. It feels like I've been sitting here for 30. That's just how fast the video went. And I guess because I really wasn't talking for real. But anyway, or pausing. But anyway, I still enjoyed this video. So let me know down below what I should be reacting to next. Or if you guys just want to talk to me or ask me for advice, you can shoot me a DM or hit me up on my Snapchat and I'll reply back. So I love y'all. And I'll catch you all in the next video. I'm feeling good. I'm happy, man. I'm screaming, yes, amen. Man, I'm praying to God and thanking Him. I've got my hands together, man. I'm sitting here and I'm jumping, yeah.